I'm Terry Jennings. I'm the president of Financial Pacific Leasing. We are a subsidiary of Umpqua Bank. Well, I think Financial Pacific has been involved with JA for probably 30 years. Our fundraising has grown every year. That we have set a goal every year that seems to go higher and higher. It started off small many years ago, and we started having fun with it. And then the next year we'd repeat that and do a little bit of extra fundraising. And then over the years, that's how we've grown it. We keep adding, gaining momentum, growing as a company too. That's allowed us to continue to grow our fundraising efforts. So the biggest fundraising that we do is the typical thing. We get our bowlers, friends and family to provide donations. We also go out to our customer base and our vendors and clients and give them the value proposition of junior achievement with a request to donate. But the fun part of it is we have a lot of fundraising events here in the office. We have about 200 people in our office here. Each department comes up with their own little fundraising events and that we do over this 2-month period. Not only is it fun, but it allows opportunities for some of our people to lead a fundraising event, which is maybe outside of their everyday work. So we get some leadership opportunities for some of our staff, but the biggest advice is just to get started. Find some things that will work for you and just continue to grow it year after year. Again, it's the combination of all of these small fundraising efforts lead up to the big total at the end.